I will show you how to install dnSpy. So you need to go to this GitHub and then click on the release, and then here you can see the one that you want is either this or this or this. If you install 4.7.2, you need to have .NET Framework 4.7.2. If you don't have .NET Framework 4.7.2 installed, you need to get these two. And to check, you can go to here, click search, type Windows feature, and then here click on turn Windows feature on and off, and then here you can check which .NET framework you have. For me, I have 4.6. I don't have 4.7.2, so I can't install, and so I can't download and use this. I need to download this and this. So you just click on it to download, and after downloading, you unzip it. You unzip it and then you put it in the folder, one for each folder. So this is for Win32, which is x86, and then here is another one is Win64, which is for 64-bit. So if your system is 64-bit, you can use this or this, either one. That's it. And then to launch it, you just enter the folder and double click on it to run. That is all on how to install dnSpy. Thank you for watching.